Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Diane here, and today I'm going to be doing my March glossybox unboxing for you. I've took it out the box you get it in. That's all done. So let's get started. You always get that little pamphlet. It tells you what's in the box, and this theme has all eyes on me. And it is. So let's get into it. And the first thing I see is Sebamed Anti-Aging Eye Cream. And what it says about this is, say hello to bright, youthful looking eyes thanks to the Q-Team. Do you know that Q10 is a natural antioxidant that protects your skin from free radical damage? And RIP for that is £7.29, and you can get it at sebmed.co.uk. So, next we have last month's sneak peek, Ico London Black Magic Mascara. This looks like. You're going to look utterly bewitching thanks to the magical mascara. Boosting a curved brush and carbon black formula, it will effectively lift your lashes to give them a voluminous and dramatic finish. And for the deluxe mini, it's worth £10. Full size is £19, and this is the deluxe mini. Next we have Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette, and with that you can either get the Solstice or the Copper Plate. I've got the Solstice. Sorry. And that's what it looks like. It's kind of coppery finish, and just what it looks like inside. It's quite nice colours. That's aside. Next we have Co Beauty Long Lasting Lipstick. The RIP for the Sleek is £9.99. These guys. This is what it looks like. And this says, flaunt a flawless pout all day long with the help of this long lasting lipstick. Its creamy formula glides effortlessly on your lips, delivering an intense shot of colour while keeping your lips hydrated. Better yet, it's so weightless you'll hardly feel like you're wearing anything at all. RRP for that is £15, and you get it for mcobeauty.com. And last thing in this month is from Tiati London, and it's a stamp and liner duo. Check it out. Looks like. And there's a stamp end. Okay. I'm dropping it. Another end is your usual. And what it says about this is, let your eyes take centre stage with this double-ended liner, featuring a wing-shaped stamp on the one end and a pointed tip on the other. It's secret to a perfect winged eyeliner look every time. And RIP for that is £15, and you get this theatrelondon.com. So that's March's glossybox for you. And the sneak peek for April is let your beauty blossom this spring. And April will be introducing you to the benefits of botanical infused beauty products and their delicate floral scent. Better yet, you'll be treated to a gentle face exfoliant by Avent, worth £92, blooming with rose extract. It will smooth, soothe and soften your skin for a truly refreshed looking complexion. So yeah, that's your March glossybox unboxing. If you like my videos, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next time with another video. Catch you later, guys.